Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your Chicme account password. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for various Chicme deals. But if you already have an account, just go to the website chicme.com. Then click on the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Next, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for My Account. Click on My Account. Under Personal Center, you will see a section for My Account. Beside it is an Add button. Click on the Add button. Next, on the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Change Password. Click on Change Password. On the first field, enter your current password. Then on the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Enter it again on the third field to confirm. Once entered, click on Submit. That's how you change your Chicme account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.